Hello everyone, I'm George from TSS, and in this video we'll be unboxing the TSS Multipoint door handle lever with 92 PZ 200mm screw centres. As you can see, the handles are supplied boxed with all the components inside individually bagged. This is to avoid any damage in transit, any scratching to the handles. In the box you will receive your handle set, which I'll just unbag for you quickly now. Plus an accessory kit. The accessory kit includes 2 removable spring cassettes, 1 solid spindle and 2 sets of fixings, 1 long and 1 short. These handles are supplied in white, as you can see in the video, black, polished brass, polished chrome and silver. The polished brass, polished chrome and silver are all salt spray tested to 240 hours, and all of the handles are cycle tested to 50,000 operations. I'll go over the handle measurements with you now. So you have your centres, your PZ at 92mm, your screw centres at 200mm, top screw to the centre of the spindle cutout is 70mm, base of the euro to the centre of the bottom fixing is 14mm. Overall backplate length is 250mm by a width of 34mm. Thank you for watching.